everyone, this is Rob Vazera from CathyandRob.com. This is part 1 of our Groove series, Getting Started with Groove. So in this video, we're going to start out with a quick overview of Groove, what it is, and how to navigate it. So if you find value in this video and you want to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by just clicking subscribe below. All right, let's get started. Okay, so what is Groove? GrooveFunnels is an all-in-one tool that allows users to build sales funnels, landing pages, and websites to sell and market their products right online. And the great thing is, Groove is free. If you don't have a free Groove account yet, head over to CathyandRob.com and go ahead and get signed up for free. Now, we have some awesome bonuses there if you're just starting out, and if you decide to upgrade later to the paid version, we have some even better bonuses for you as well. Go ahead and get signed up, and now let's get started looking at Groove. Okay, so after you have your account, head over to Groove and let's go ahead and log in. Now once you log in, you're going to end up right here on your dashboard. And the dashboard has a couple pieces to it. It has some quick links right here in the front. Underneath that, it has some basic analytics about some of the pieces of software. Now, to start from the top left here, if you hover over the G, you're going to see your main navigation bar, okay? So basically, you can go to any different product right here, right on the left. And you can also get there too by going through these quick links right here, okay? On the left-hand side, you have the rest of your menu. You have your home button, which will bring you back to the dashboard. You can go see the Groove Marketplace, the Groove App Store. You can see the different services that Groove has. You can see the events and workshops coming up, and then you can go ahead and download their Groove.cm app as well. Okay. And this last button here, you get information about the API and the software development kit that's going to be coming up. If you come over to the right here and where your avatar is, if you go ahead and click on that, you see another menu. The first part right here is integrations, and this is where you set up your different integrations between Groove and other softwares. You can go into My Account information. Right here, you'll basically have all the information to modify your account. You also access all your domain information here as well. So once you set up a domain, this is where you're going to go to do that. And we'll talk about that in a later video. The next option here is billing settings, and this is where you go ahead and update your billing information. And then your Groove Partner Program is all the information you need about the Groove Affiliate Program. Okay. So to go over what each one of these are real quick, Groove Pages and Groove Funnels is where you basically create your builder, right? This allows you to create your different sites, your different landing pages, your websites, whatever that you want. That's basically your funnel builder. Okay. GrooveSell allows you to create your products online that you want to sell. So you would basically go into here, you would set up your different pricing options, your product descriptions, everything like that. That's where you would go into GrooveSell. GrooveMail is essentially your marketing email service. You can go here to set up broadcasts to go out to your list. You can go here to create forms to capture information. You can do a lot of stuff here in GrooveMail, and it's been working great so far. Groove Member is where you would go ahead and create a membership site. So if you want to go ahead and create a course or something, you can go into Groove Member, you can lay out the course, and you could put all the content right in there for people to access. Groove Video right here is where you go ahead and upload any videos that you want to use. It's a great option if you guys are out there that use Vimeo. This works just as well. There's no way to download the videos directly unless you actually give that type of permission. So it's nice to keep those videos protected that way. Groove Blog is where you can create your blog right here inside Groove. And Groove Cart is basically a Shopify store. You can go in there and create a store just like you would using Shopify. And the great thing is it's all right here, right within Groove. And finally, Groove Webinar. Groove Webinar allows you to do an evergreen webinar so you can get people on that webinar and then go ahead and present them to your offer. Okay? All right, so that was a great overview of Groove. In the upcoming videos, we're going to be going over each piece of software step by step. You can see the links in the description below on how to get them. If you found value in this video and you want to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting that subscribe button below. All right? Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.